Afternoon snack on this rainy day. All these pizza cookie, chewy gooey chocolate chunk. Is it in some kind of it just has oven instructions. So is it? Oh yeah, it's in a little pan. Okay.
Can I open it up in the pan?
Yeah, you can open it. We're gonna leave it in the pan though, okay?
Okay.
Think this is gonna be good? I was gonna take mainly out to the trampoline. Look at that chocolate chip. That chocolate chunk looks like a little volcano or something.
We will leave it like that.
We'll leave it? Okay. I was gonna take him out to the trampoline, but it started raining, didn't it? We had like 2 or 3 thunderstorms back to back. It would stop for about 15 or 20 minutes, and then we'd get another thunderstorm. While the oven's preheating, I'll put the clothes in the dryer.
Can I take it off? Hey, Jonah left another Lego in his pocket.
Yeah, there's always Legos in his pockets. If it hadn't been raining a lot, I really like a good stormy day. You can watch some movies, especially if you got the house cleaned up, light some candles, watch a movie. 3 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes is up. Let's see. Oh, it's looking good. It's all warm and gooey. There you go. It's great, y'all. All right, y'all, August the 1st. Do y'all know how much planning I did in July? 0, nothing, absolutely nothing. But it's time to get back to planning in August because there's a lot of things coming up. School starts back. I was planning on starting back August the 14th or 15th. But I spoke with a lady from Rebecca on the phone today to check and see when the books were going to be here. So she said it's going to be about 10 to 14 days. And so it looks like the books won't even get here until that week, the week that I was going to start. So I'm thinking we're going to push it to the 22nd. So that will be our first day of school. That'll give me time to get everybody's stuff together and organized. And oh, this planner, by the way, because I had somebody ask the other day, it's the home planner from passionatepennypincher.com. I'll link our website down below. It's a great planner. I mean, it's like seriously the ultimate home planner. It has everything in it. This isn't what I use for school planning though. Of course, I don't have to plan a whole lot for school because since they do the Rebecca Academy and they have the teachers and the video classroom and all, I don't have to do a lot of planning, but I do a little bit. But so I don't use this planner for that. I have a separate one. I don't know where I put my one from last year. Here it is, yeah. I just use one like this to plan any things that I have to plan for school. But yeah, this home planner, so at the beginning of the months, it has a notes page. Each month has a budget worksheet. Let me find it. And it has just about everything you can think of on here. Even hair care, gym membership, kids activities, entertainment, vacation fund, Christmas gifts fund,
Secret Santa.
Secret Santa, gas, oil changes, license and taxes, parking fees. Up here at food, it has grocery, eating out, school lunches, clothing, dry cleaning. I mean, it's got just about everything you can think of on this budget worksheet. And then you have the full calendar view. And then this is the weekly layout. Up here you have the morning checklist on each week. And then the evening one, make dinner, prep meals for the next day, cleaning up and all that stuff. And so then each day, it has your space right here where you can put your to-dos or things you have planned for that day. Over here is where I usually just write dinner here because there's not enough room to write breakfast, lunch, and supper. So I usually just put whatever we're having for supper over here with the meal thing. And this is where you write something that you're thankful for. And then this spot is where you write down, going along with your budget thing, you write down how much you spent that day. That way you can keep track of, when you go back and look at your August budget, you can keep track of what you're spending. Anyway, so we'll start here on August the 1st. I'm saying how much I love it and I didn't even touch it in July. I really do love it. It's just that being on summer break, routines aren't in place as much as when school's going on. So yeah, I didn't plan any in July. For supper tonight, we're gonna have some spicy patty melts. Tomorrow is gonna be pizza. Let me look at my meal plan real quick. Sometimes if I don't have a pen or a piece of paper, I will create a meal plan for the week on Pinterest. So see, this one says meal plan 7/31. I don't know if y'all can see that right there, meal plan July 31st. So I just pinned some stuff that I thought we might want to eat this week, and so then, you know, I just have these different boards of meal plans from different random weeks. I put these are some kind of like spicy Philly cheesesteak sloppy joes. We might switch that to tomorrow night. I don't know, I'll put that on Saturday and we'll see, because I kind of wanted to have It Takes Two for the movie night. Y'all remember the movie It Takes Two and the sloppy joe scene? I will want a sloppy joe. If I watch that movie, I must have a sloppy joe. But we're gonna do some ultimate ones. I don't know if it's gonna be exactly like this is, but we're just gonna make some ultimate sloppy joes one night. We're gonna do chili and a baked potato bar one night, or maybe either just like stuffed baked potatoes, stuff them with chili and cheese, and then this smoked sausage and mozzarella pasta. We'll put that on Sunday. I must have been in a real big taco fajita mood when I was doing this meal plan, because I had chicken fajitas, fish tacos, and fried chicken street corn tacos. I'm hoping to go to Rock City sometime within these next couple of weeks before school starts back, or somewhere anyway. Breaking out 2 pans so we can cook a bunch of patties at one time. I'm gonna chop up this onion and 3 of these serrano peppers. Not everybody's gonna wanna put the peppers and onions, so I'm just gonna do 1 onion and just those 3 little peppers. I'm making these patties kind of long shaped because the bread that we have, that's the shape it is, so I'm making them a little bit, you know, like that. Okay, so we've got this sriracha sauce. We're gonna mix this with a little bit of mayonnaise for the sriracha mayo, and we've got pepper jack cheese to go on. I also have regular cheese if anybody doesn't want pepper jack. I'll go ahead and mix up the mayonnaise and sriracha sauce. Got about a 1/4 cup of the sriracha sauce in there. And we'll go with about a little over 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. Oh, that smells good. It smells like a creamy buffalo sauce. I put out some different sauces over here in case people don't want the sriracha mayo. I'm just going to leave the sriracha sauce out. We have the Flavortown donkey sauce, mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard, secret sauce, and Titus got this horseradish sauce here. And the peppers and onions are just about ready to come out of this pan, and we'll start the rest of the patties over here.
I'm here tonight to try the patty match for you, everybody. Now, Fallon did these kind of medium. That's what you want if you want the burger to be right. Check that out. Just a slight bit of pink here. Who is it that does theirs this way, Mama?
Was it Chili's?
Chili's?
Or
Chili's, yeah.
Was it?
Yeah.
Man, you... Yo,
I ain't playing.
he dove into that.
I'll dip me a tater chip in that cheese in a minute.
How is it?
I ain't gotta say nothing. Y'all know that's good. We out of watermelon.
Now, I'm gonna flip this one, and I've got Minnie.
I have many.
Oh, I got Daisy Duck. Mickey. Was this Mickey? Nope, that's the castle.
Donald.
Donald, where was he? Oh, you found him.
I'm doing pretty good at this game.
Mm-hmm.
Matchy, matchy. Good night, see y'all tomorrow.